abusiafo ene adofonom Muniaba ekyesikapa ena motimini gano wahala dwumedie na ebre asose yede ebe soma munisi tuma de modie a na mode asem ensem de kochi ekobreman ena yede ebre montini ekase tuma de we are your number one loyal and credible channel ye wo ho edema mo abre ene abrebia na ene dey nipa Ghana fo aso wo ma no ede agu ne so eye penyimpa woda men's gold ano na apia mensa Nam1 said the dodo na enim no efa ne nyoma bi a wo ye enwo omhu ne se entwaye na enye ne kwanso na abusia mama yembonra ensem no emu. Nam1 makes public appearance once again, sign new artist to Zylofon. Said the mamonim no na apia mensa dodo na nim ne se Nam1 CEO Edema Men's Gold now was so ye penny pot that Zylofon ano was signing encrophobe brave na embre na wotwi ye mu ne bebeto eja ese ye nua be meyi all those say ne ho nsensem ba ye fraud no ko ne ba chese okoko pie mu wo Dubai ho nsensem oba ye de ne court bill ho nsensem e ba ye nyina na nka Ghana fo gidi ye pansa brantie yi de enya de se nko betimi enya enanpo asan agina so se wo ba ababa be ye bibi e wo oman Ghana yi emu ebe manase wo benya ya ahokeka ne se wo di dwuma bi ama Ghana fo ehunu because e car wo de enkrofo a wontua ya wo ba bonten ehihye date de ma wo mo enu mu korode ne ho ababa gi mu enu ti no ye hu de ensem ne ko se wotua se wontua ye obia entimi enkyere no na eno na chese ababa to edwase ye nua be meyi wasaba abonten abie eye ne door obie ne door e de ama new Chinese ne no na ye nuaba Tiisha awo ye Afropop musician awo ye good or ye unique in all her styles na just would ni ginamu with onuni ni PS out mu so stand out sa abaya no na nana apia mensa Nam1 yi assigning no to new ne Zylofon yinimu just wono ababeka obibini ne kumi guitar ne stone boy ne wo ma wasign wo mo dada no sa abaya no Tiisha na ababa beka wo mo ehu na eno na Ghana fo binum ehu ne se dwumedi a ekoso ewo hono krampo no COVID-19 protocols ne kwano enya de se wo mo observe ebie na ebie mo nsusu no obi a wode enkrofo eka wuntue ye watimi enya kwan se wo san ba abonti se wo se je new Chinese ana new artist to wo Zylofon company no na Ghana for etwa de abonu achese abrante yi de se wo ye obi a ankanya de krampo se wo benya asompo ana se obetimi apia abonti se wo kọ akwakọ ana se wo kọ akwakọ ye bibi na eno ama ye nuanum binom de ababa batu edwa esem why cry na man to me why na man to me so wono ontimi mbra bonten upon a probo a wa bon krofo upon nkrofo sika wagie upon nneoma waye de tia wo manfo Ghana manfo pa still empanifo entimi ntu wo mo na yansi honom eja ya brantie yi so wonanti free wonanti monten so endi dwuma wo pebia ensem bu nkrofo se de wo pebia no de na chese wo mo anye ade because ye hwe Nam1 nkrofo Men's Gold nkrofo sika wo mo de ehye wonom ne nsensem yi ebaye wo mo munya stroke enya wo madwuma aseye de aseye wo mo asese krampo no wo mo ni do mo bedie krampo no wo mo susu egu honom ebi krampo shock yi baye krampo no wo mo fa mu ehwere wo mo nkwa wo mo susu ahwere wo mo nkwa na se we yentimi antu ye na yensi honom anka bibi amfa ho na se still ya se janum se won koso a embra ensame medi Ghana fo abro won sambra enya tumi ensame biebie nwuma foforo ensame sign nkrofo to ne group mu ensambra bonten ensame meye na kaka bensam pa de na chese empanifo ewo omai mu no wo mu di Ghana bro papa wo mu mpe Ghana ye esanse wo mu di hie bi anase wo mu nkrofo no enya de so wo mu bekosa ohawa na sa atiti yi emu ebienti no womo enjin womo ehu enti ama bebre na ebo efu woma keka woma dwen e de a kire eye mpanifo ewo omayimu e na biom susu no womo etwa e de abo eye na na pia mensa no wono ankasa emu na moma yenkodwe eye adwenche ni bi a eba ye yenua bi dia wode eba wo se Men's Gold saga has led to several losing their life because they invest their livelihood into what has been described as one of the biggest scams in this country, in the history of man. And you have left this guy to do what? Make another signings. Oh God, which country are we living in? I think you people are this. I think you people are in support of what he's doing and you are okay with it because your family members, your relatives are not part. Utimu say we no poor for year papa ebi ano kan krofo a ye Nam1 edi wo musika na say wo ni sika kokaka Men's Gold down nsa entimi enka ye ni ebi wo sim enam Men's Gold saga nkrofo bebre na ahwere wo mo nkwase de edi kan eka ye no ebinum ede wo mo dache wo mo fifro mesam enyina sika ene de kokko share sa investment ni mu enso so entimi emfifi abapa bia amfa amom wo musika akwa na se empanifo wo sa sore se ba sane nkrofo to ni Zylofon company ne won ne ba muntimi ntumo na ensi wonum na se matimi agya abrante ne de na chese mo ankasa mu no mo support de wo ye no na je sika wo de nkrofo sika adwane no eye mo madwempo ene mutiri mo ponti ena ma abrante no watimi edi sa adwuma no nti ehu be hia se nkrofo Men's Gold wo musika koka ho no mo company for na womo enkonkwaji womo esika yenua bi dia wode eba ye wose Nam1 pay back our money tom pay back our money otherwise we are going to the president, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, because if he is not stepping down to talk sense into your mind for you to pay us our money and he's supporting you to rise up and bring out another signees into your company, then we have to let them know that our money is needed urgently and they have to provide it right now. One also saw idea what they buy and on was a share. Nam1 say osi kama ye osi pay back our money osi kama ye na se mampanyi His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo wetimi ahwe ama abrantie wei wasa asori agina ne nan so na nkrofo sika wono wasa de twe signees saba ne Zylofon na yimu pa dia ene ehu behia se ombeto na mo aba wo ho plaster house ombeba honum na wo ma baba baji wo mu esika because ebia na woni abrante na ye kana na de wo ye no wo support no enti wo mo empene kura emasa ensem no ensi yenua bi nso edia wode eba ye ose this is Ghana for you. Oh. You see, now Nam1 is moving freely and now even signing new people to his record label. You see Ghana, this our people there, they don't think about us, the citizens, but we are the people that made them who they are. One also so edia what they ever was a shame. Nam1 they say when you kwan wanam ho free ama say kwampo we say nya audacity no sign enkrofo to ni Zylofon music record label abra wode de enkrofo eka empanifo entimi enka hwei ene kire se empanifo a wamamu no wo mo endwen eyetimamufo enho esanse wo mo de omo ebusuani anase wo mo relative bie ni wono ma wo mo bekosa oha we mu ebienti no wo mo endwen wo mo no mo kan hu se yentimamufo na yato aba ede ema omo a wo matimi abedu sa empepenso ni to mo response na wo mo ahwe wo mo ede mo kan hu se yeden wo mo enchirebo akonya no wo mo ebesi ede afri esom yenua Nicholas ede ode eba wo se these MPP people there, you can't even understand them. I knew very much that Akufo-Addo was benefiting from this Men's Gold thing. You see, now he has given him the audacity to move around. Or also so at the end that there be other Akufo-Addo first no want to children in Nayana. Will be there will be so one which let's say MPP abino omo mfo bia ho na omo enya eyemfaso de edi free Men's Gold mu anu tina saga we ba ye nyina omo ankahwe se we se Akufo-Addo aban ejai Nam1 se won nanti free. One also so na dwencha wode eba ye enu no. Nam1 is moving freely and now even signing new people to his record label. Otherwise, we are going to the president, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, because if he is not stepping down to talk sense into your mind for you to pay us our money and he's supporting you to rise up and bring out another signees into your company, then we have to let them know that our money is needed urgently and they have to provide it right now. One also so edia what they ever ye enunu. Yenya eye Beatrice and so Edia was say, I don't even know what to say. Nam1, God is watching you. Your reward will come very soon. God will punish you and punish you and punish your generation. No so Edia no. Wait any eye adwinche bi a eba ye efa eye ebra. Ghana fo binum ehun say eye Nam1 say wanya akonya no say wo di juma na so wo sign enkrofo e wo eye ne Zylofon music record label no eso na abusuam ye de eye emfonyini videos ni bi ebegu apono so a wo betimi ahwe enti a wo fie say da wadwen ehwe wo efabia no betimi de wadwen che no aba e wo tuma gh e comment section share video yi efoma adofo no abusuafo ene eye enafofo like your videos and so mema remfin so say so subscribe a wo be ye e de amaye na fa comment no ebra na emrepe no making kan e de ama midin ene ekia sikapa ofremi ameje so makramo
fitani asese ni din ene your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro ene maba too much gh shit na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe